Hey guys, this is Hope. Welcome back to the channel. If your iPhone storage is full or almost full, you're going to love this video because I'm going to teach you how to free up a good space of your iPhone storage with just one little tip. So let's go ahead and get started. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and hit on the notification bell. Let's go. So all you have to do is open up your settings and then scroll down until you see General and then of course iPhone storage, and right here you can easily manage your storage. Take a look at this graph and easily see if your storage is full, almost full, or maybe it's okay, like mine. But the thing is, it's always very important to free up as much of your iPhone storage as you can, because the closest to full it is, so the more of your iPhone storage is taken, the slowest your iPhone will be. So it's always very, very important to go ahead and free up even if your iPhone storage is like this, if you want to have a faster, not laggy iPhone experience. Alright. So all you have to do is actually scroll down just a bit and see this list right here. As you can see, you have all of the apps that are actually installed on your iPhone, and this list is already sorted by, of course, the apps that take up most storage to less. So it's the decreasing list, right? So what you have to do right here is take a look at the apps that you don't really use that often, because you're going to need to offload those apps. Please keep in mind, I'm not saying delete, I'm saying offload, because when you offload an app, you don't delete its documents and data. Let me explain you what I mean. We're not going to delete any app. We're going to offload. Now let me explain what offload means. So as you can see right here, we have two storages. So app size and documents and data. So when we offload an app, we actually free up this first portion right here, the app size. We're free up this storage, the first one, which has the storage taken up by the app itself, but not the documents and data within it. So again, in the example here of CapCut, which is a video editor, we're going to go ahead and offload the app and tap offload. As you can take a look right here, we just remove completely those 360-something megabytes, which was the storage of the app itself. But of course, our documents and data are preserved right here. So in this case of CapCut, the videos, the projects that I have, they are still here on my iPhone. So then if I need to download CapCut once again, I'm going to have all of my data, all of my files. I don't lose anything. And that's the beauty of offloading an app, because you free up the app itself, the storage taken up by the app itself, but you don't lose anything. And of course, you can do this for every single app that you have on your iPhone that you don't really use that often. So for example, if you have a game here that you play just once in a while, you can go ahead and offload this game. You're going to free up, in this case, 1.45 gigabytes, just like that. But of course, you're going to keep your documents and data, so your saves, your logs, your character, everything that you have in the game. You don't lose anything because you're just offloading, not deleting. Of course, when you delete, you just get rid of everything, but not offload. So then go ahead and do that. Go ahead and offload every single app that you don't use, like at least every week. If it's something that you use eventually, and occasionally, go ahead and offload everything. And of course, when you need to use that app again, you go ahead, open it up here and then reinstall app. It's going to automatically reinstall and automatically get all of your data back because it's all here. So then when you open it up, it's going to look like it was never even offloaded in the first place. Okay, so that's it. That's my tip. That's my recommendation. Please keep in mind that sometimes when you offload, it takes a little while for that storage to free up. Okay, for everything to sync and load and everything like that. Another possibility, if you go ahead and offload a ton of apps, you can just go ahead and after offloading, just restart your iPhone normally. So go ahead here, /power off, and of course restart your iPhone, and then it will take action immediately. All of that storage will be available to you immediately. And then of course, when you come back to your iPhone storage screen, you're going to see it right here be a fact of that clearing off storage. Okay, so that's it. That's literally it. That's how you clear. That's how you free up the space of iPhone storage with just one little tip that's completely harmless. Okay, thanks a lot. And I'll see you on the next one as usual.